Hey, I'm going to be making a centerpiece today in this video. So what I'm doing is it's a succulent centerpiece. I've added some dirt down on the bottom for the succulents, and I've already separated the succulents. I bought succulents. I found some at like Lowe's in some packs, and so I took the plants out of the packs, the plastic pack, and then separated it into its individual plants. So here I am just kind of placing them in this round bowl. It's like a fish bowl looking vase. And then I picked up some of the sand gravel and just simply placing it around the plants, trying to avoid actually like weighing the plants down or putting it on the succulents itself. So you'll see me using my hand. I had a little flower card holder that I was also using. That's that plastic stick. And I'm trying to simply hold the plants in place while placing the gravel in the bowl. And you can see I'm just putting enough gravel to hide the dirt. Wanted it more clean looking. The dirt, as you put water in it, it does create like a dirty water line in the bowl. So that's kind of why I wanted to use this gravel. Here I'm just kind of moving the gravel out from the succulents that fell into it. All right, so with this in place now, got the succulents in there, and you can see half of the bowl or maybe a quarter of the bowl is empty, and that's because I stuck some orchids in there. I used some flower vials with the orchids, and then just kind of filled the space up on the side. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.